What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick install video. Big thanks to Extreme Online Store for supplying the parts that I am showing you just how to install real quick. So this part is part number SW-486-BKCF, which are these pretty sweet carbon fiber inserts for your steering wheel. Let me put it this way, because this is how it's going to go on the steering wheel. So these are overlays made out of full carbon fiber that will go on your OEM steering wheel. So these are pretty clean. What I ended up doing actually off camera is I went ahead and just rebuffed it, just using a smaller polisher with some compound, and I ended up ceramic coating these about a week or so ago. So they look extra glossy. That is completely up to you whether or not you want to do that. But let's go ahead and install this real quick and show you how it looks like on the car. All right, so let's get this bad boy installed. So what we're going to do first is install the top part, as you guys can see here on the camera. And that's going to go over here. So let's go ahead and remove all of the backing for the 3M tape. So towards the bottom here, you actually want to do the bottom first and slide it up, as you can see here, because there are tabs towards the bottom of the carbon fiber where it'll hook. And then you want to line up all of the controls. Just make sure the buttons aren't going to get stuck. So I'm testing out all the buttons here to make sure they are not obstructed. The right side just needs to be adjusted a little bit. All right, so we got it seated down. Now just going to press all these down. So there we have it. There we have the top part installed. I'll show you guys here in a little bit what that looks like, or you can just see it with the B-roll. So now all buttons are fine. Seems to work with no issues. Now we'll go ahead and install this bottom part. All right, so now we got that on there. So what we're going to do is actually slide this top part underneath the airbag where there's a little gap. We're basically pushing the bottom towards the top, basically like this. And then once it's seated in there, then we just set it down all lined up. This looks good. So there you guys have it. Hopefully this does help with this quick install, but big shout out to Extreme Online Store again for hooking it up with this. But if you guys are wondering for any other installs, check out my other videos, and hopefully I see you guys on the next one.